India in 180 seconds. Brought to you by FactFish. For most people, the word India brings to mind the Taj Mahal, sacred cows, and the Ganges River. But did you know the subcontinent has 1.224 billion people and will likely surpass China in population by around 2020? And by 2055, the median estimate for the population of India is 1.7 billion. In fact, every fifth baby born in the world today is Indian. And all these people live on a land area of 3,287,260 square kilometers, which is a little more than one-third the size of China. The landscape of India varies from rugged mountains to rainforests, deserts, and plains, and a vast network of rivers. In fact, it ranks ninth in terms of waterways, with 14,500 kilometers, along with 7,000 kilometers of coastline. Among India's 1.2 billion plus people, 65% of women and 46% of men still worked in agriculture as of 2010. India's major food crops are wheat, rice, and fruit, of which it ranks second in total production as of 2011 for all three categories, again behind China. Despite this seemingly high food production, the rate of childhood malnutrition is a staggering 43.5% for children under 5, the second worst in the world. For an economy its size, India's is growing at a staggering rate, 10.5% in 2010, 6.3% in 2011, and 6.5% in 2012, ranking it 35th fastest growing economy in 2012. Not bad when you consider the United States ranked 135th for the same year. India ranks number 10 among the world economies with a GDP of $1.947 trillion in 2012, a growth of more than tenfold since 1980. But when you break it down among its people, it comes to a meager $1,509 per person. Of course, with such rapid growth comes a growing appetite for fossil fuels. India consumed 3.182 million barrels of oil per day in 2010. That ranks it fourth behind the US, China, and Japan. So what does that mean for CO2 emissions? It means India spewed 1.979 million kilotons into the air in 2009, almost triple the amount emitted in 1989. While China and the US outstrip it in terms of pollution, the future looks rather, smoggy. But hey, smog makes for beautiful sunsets. With its natural beauty and its historical and cultural charm, India is no doubt a great place to visit. And with a booming economy and cheap labor, who wouldn't want to start a business there? But with an average life expectancy of 64.2 years as of 2010, ranking it 140th out of 190, and a childhood mortality rate of 72.4 children per 1,000 under the age of 5, you might want to weigh the pros and cons before packing up the family and moving to the Mumbai suburbs. So there you have it, India in 180 seconds. But I've barely scratched the surface. If you want to know more, go to factfish.com for facts and trends fished from thousands of official and reliable sources from around the world, all in one place. Factfish.com. Research made simple.